In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Notion using the Projects and Tasks layout. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion workspace. Then, open the Projects and Tasks template. You can usually find this in your sidebar under your workspace pages or by searching for Projects and Tasks in the Notion search bar at the top. Go ahead and click that to open the template. Once the template is open, you'll see a main projects view, typically organized as a board or table. To start customizing it, move your mouse to the area that's highlighted in the video. This is usually the database title or one of the view controls. Click on that highlighted area to open the options for this database view. Next, you'll see another highlighted element, likely representing the current view name, such as board, list, or table. Click that highlighted section. This brings up a menu where you can access settings for how your projects and tasks are displayed. From that menu, look for the option labeled Edit and click on it. This opens the configuration panel for your database view, where you can change things like filters, sorting, grouping, and which properties are visible. This is the core place where you start turning the default template into something that actually fits your workflow. Inside this panel, you'll notice different drop-down fields. One of them will have a placeholder or sample option name. Click on that option to open its drop-down. This is where you can switch from the default value to something more meaningful for your setup. In that drop-down, choose the option labeled Empty. This is often used when you want to remove a pre-configured filter, group, or status so that the view shows a broader range of items or resets to a more neutral state. Next, click on the highlighted area again to open the same list of choices. This time, select Backlog. Using something like Backlog is helpful when you want to group your tasks by status, separating ideas or upcoming work from active tasks. You'll then see another highlighted field to adjust. Click on that highlight and, once again, choose Empty from the drop-down. This step clears out any remaining default condition that might be limiting what you see. Finally, click on the last highlighted area shown in the video. This confirms your changes and closes the configuration, leaving you with an updated Projects and Tasks view that's now customized to your preferences within the Notion template.